Corn snakes are fascinating reptiles with several interesting characteristics and behaviors. Here are 70 amazing facts about corn snakes. Scientific name. The scientific name of the corn snake is Pantheraphis cutatus. Common names. Corn snakes are also known by other names such as red rat snake and corn snake. Native habitat. They are native to the southeastern United States, ranging from New Jersey to the Florida Keys and as far west as Louisiana. Color variations. Corn snakes come in a wide variety of colors and patterns, known as morphs. These variations are popular in the pet trade. Size. Adult corn snakes typically reach a length of 3 to 5 feet, with females generally being larger than males. Lifespan. In captivity, corn snakes can live between 15 to 20 years with proper care. Diet. They are constrictors and primarily feed on rodents, such as mice and rats. Hunting behavior. Corn snakes are skilled climbers and are known to climb trees and enter bird nests to prey on eggs and chicks. Mimicry. They may vibrate their tails and strike with a closed mouth, mimicking the behavior of a venomous snake to deter predators. Venom. Corn snakes are non-venomous and pose no threat to humans. Subduing prey. When hunting, they use constriction to subdue their prey rather than venom. Hibernation. In the wild, corn snakes hibernate during the winter months in underground burrows called hibernacula. Elongated teeth. Corn snakes have rear-facing teeth to help them swallow prey. Ecdysis. Like all snakes, corn snakes shed their skin periodically. This process is called ecdysis. Shedding frequency. Young corn snakes shed more frequently than adults because they are growing rapidly. Eyes clouding. Prior to shedding, their eyes may become cloudy or milky. Burrow dwellers. Corn snakes are known to take shelter in burrows and may also use abandoned mammal burrows. Thermoregulation. They regulate their body temperature by basking in the sun and retreating to cooler areas. Territorial nature. Corn snakes are not highly territorial, and several individuals may share the same area. Solitary creatures. They are generally solitary outside of the breeding season. Scent detection. Corn snakes use their tongue to collect scent particles, helping them locate prey. Jacobson's organ. The vomeronasal or Jacobson's organ helps them analyze chemical cues in the environment. Color change. The color of a corn snake can vary based on its mood, temperature, and time of day. Nocturnal nature. They are primarily nocturnal, being more active during the night. Tongue flicking. Like all snakes, corn snakes use tongue flicking to gather information about their surroundings. Belly scales. The belly scales of corn snakes are smooth, aiding in movement. Escape artists. Corn snakes are adept at escaping enclosures, and secure housing is crucial for their captivity. Vibrant belly. The underside or ventral side of corn snakes is often brightly colored and patterned. Hemipenes. Male snakes have paired reproductive organs called hemipenes. Copulatory spur. Male corn snakes have a small spur on each side of their vent, a vestigial structure from their evolutionary past. Clutch size. A female corn snake can lay a clutch of 10 to 30 eggs, and multiple clutches can be laid in a single breeding season. Nesting behavior. In the wild, females may lay their eggs in rotting vegetation or other decaying matter. Incubation period. The eggs take approximately 60 days to hatch. Parental care. Corn snakes do not exhibit parental care. Once the eggs are laid, the female leaves them to hatch on their own. Cannibalistic tendencies. Young corn snakes may exhibit cannibalistic tendencies, and it is not uncommon for larger siblings to eat smaller ones if not separated. UVB lighting. In captivity, providing UVB lighting is important for their overall health and well-being. Heat source. Corn snakes require a heat source for thermoregulation, typically provided by an undertank heating pad. Handling temperament. With regular, gentle handling, corn snakes can become quite docile and may even enjoy being handled. Escape of scent. Corn snakes have musk glands that can release a foul-smelling odor when they feel threatened. Pet trade popularity. corn snakes are one of the most popular snake species kept as pets due to their manageable size and docile nature. Artificial hibernation. Some breeders simulate winter conditions, including a cooling period, to induce breeding behavior in captivity. Record longevity. The oldest recorded corn snake lived to be over 32 years old. Mimicry of venomous species. The coral snake, which is venomous, has a similar color pattern to the venomous species to deter predators. Folklore. Corn snakes have been part of folklore and myths in various Native American cultures. Protection from pesticides. Corn snakes are susceptible to pesticides, and the decline of their natural habitat poses a threat to their population. Wild populations. Despite being popular in captivity, corn snakes have stable populations in the wild. Conservation status. Corn snakes are not currently listed as endangered or threatened. Mating dance. Courtship and mating involve a dance-like behavior where the male rubs his chin on the female's body. Climbing ability. They are excellent climbers and may even climb vertically on rough surfaces. Natural camouflage. Their coloration and pattern help them blend into their natural surroundings. Morph combinations. In captivity, breeders create morph combinations by selectively breeding snakes with different color and pattern variations. Subspecies. There are several recognized subspecies of corn snakes, each with its own unique characteristics. Economic importance. Corn snakes play a role in controlling rodent populations, making them beneficial for agriculture. Threats in the wild. Loss of habitat, road mortality, and illegal collection for the pet trade are potential threats to wild corn snake populations. Captive breeding. The majority of corn snakes in the pet trade are captive bred, reducing the impact on wild populations. Sensory pits. Corn snakes have specialized heat-sensitive pits on their faces to detect warm-blooded prey. Circadian rhythms. They have internal circadian rhythms that influence their behavior, such as feeding and basking. Burrowing habit. Corn snakes may burrow in substrate to create a hiding spot or to regulate their body temperature. Habitat destruction. Urbanization and agriculture have led to the destruction of their natural habitats. Hybridization. In the wild, corn snakes can hybridize with other rat snake species. Olfactory communication. Corn snakes use scent marking as a form of communication, especially during the breeding season. Skin irritation. The oils from a human skin can be irritating to a snake's scales, so it's important to wash hands before handling them. Temperature preferences. They prefer temperatures ranging from 75 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 24 to 29 degrees Celsius. Handling frequency. While handling is beneficial for socialization, excessive handling can cause stress. Artificial burrows. In captivity, providing a hiding spot or artificial burrow is essential for their sense of security. Tail rattling. Corn snakes may vibrate their tails when agitated, producing a sound similar to rattlesnakes. Legless locomotion. Snakes move by undulating their bodies, using a combination of muscles and scales. Veterinary care. Regular veterinary checkups are important to monitor the health of captive corn snakes. Enrichment activities. Providing environmental enrichment, such as climbing structures, can promote physical and mental well-being. Educational ambassadors. Some well-socialized corn snakes are used as educational animals to teach people about reptiles and conservation. These facts highlight the diverse and intriguing aspects of corn snakes, both in their natural habitat and in captivity. Whether appreciated for their vibrant colors, fascinating behaviors, or ecological role, corn snakes continue to captivate enthusiasts and researchers alike.